Hi Steve, not our day today, but we go again next week.
Yeah, I thought we started again pretty well. I thought we're probably the better team for the first 10, 15, 20 minutes. Scored a good goal, and then they didn't really cause too many problems. A couple of set plays, but I think both two teams cancelled each other out. And then we conceded a really sloppy goal from our point of view. And 1-1, I thought probably fair first half. Even though we didn't really play our best, I thought that both teams cancelled each other out, and probably 1-1 going into the break was probably fair.
Yeah.
Second half we didn't come out. They've come out the blocks, which has been strange for us because we've been usually been slow starting, and we've come out second half. But it's credit to Holywell; they've come out and put us under pressure and scored 2 goals, and again, really poor defending from our point of view. But then we huffed and puffed. But credit to them; they've seen the game out. They're experienced and they've seen the game out.
Amazing crowd here today. I think it's 1,339 fans on a great day. A lovely day for football.
Yeah, the Seagulls fans, you can hear them all match. And unfortunately for them, we didn't put in the performance that we needed to get them 3 points. But that won't define us. We'll go again in the week. We'll dust ourselves off today. And then we'll go again Wednesday, Thursday, ready to put in a performance on Saturday against Penryn-Cork and look to get them 3 points.
Yeah, it's hard to go through the season without losing, but sometimes you can learn and grow from losing. Have you learned anything today?
Yeah, we'll learn lessons from that. I've spoke to the players in there. When things aren't going your way, you need to pull together, and you need to stick together, and you need to lead us. We didn't have enough of them today, which again, I'm not gonna blame my players. We've been fantastic all season. We've been on a great run, but we've got to eat on the pie today. We've got to take it on the chin, which we will do, and we'll learn from. And then we'll go again in the week. Like I said, and be ready to go put a performance against Penryn-Cork next week.
Okay, thanks very much, Steve, for your time, and good luck next Saturday.
Deal.
Thank you.